In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image and make it look seamless within your document. Whether you're working on a report, a project, or even just a simple presentation, knowing how to properly insert and position an image is essential to creating a visually appealing and professional document. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the top menu of your documents interface. This is where all the magic begins. Look for the Insert tab. Once you've located it, click on it and a drop-down menu will appear for you to explore further options. From there, hover over or click on Image. Now you'll see a range of choices for uploading your image. You can upload directly from your computer if you have the image saved locally, but there are also other handy options. For instance, if you have your image stored on Google Drive or in your photos, you can choose to upload directly from those platforms. Additionally, if you have an image URL or want to search the web for pictures, those options are also available. Select whatever method works best for you in this case. Once you have your image chosen and inserted into the document, don't worry if it might look a little out of place initially. We're going to fix that. Click on the image to select it. By doing this, you'll notice a toolbar appearing just below the image. This toolbar is your gateway to customizing how the image sits within your document. Now, look for an icon in this toolbar that resembles lines wrapping around a square. That's your wrap text option. Click on it, and what this does is allow your text to flow naturally around the image. It makes everything look integrated and gives your document a professional feel. With the wrap text option selected, it's time to position your image just right. You don't have to be locked into the spot the image originally appears. Simply click and drag your image to its desired spot within the document. As you drag it around, you'll notice how the text repositions itself automatically around the image's new location. This is the beauty of the wrap text feature because it ensures your content maintains a consistent and aesthetically pleasing flow. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've seamlessly integrated an image into your document that complements and enhances your text. By effectively utilizing these simple tools, you can create documents that not only convey professionalism, but can also capture your audience's attention. Remember to always experiment with these tools as you become more comfortable, and soon enough, inserting and arranging images will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!